Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a 1970 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400. Nicely done, nice restoration. Pontiac 400, 415 horsepower, 4-speed, Wilwood disc brakes, 4-wheel, drilled and slotted rotors, ceramic coated headers, billet pulley system. Just nice car. 7/18" honeycomb wheels, got drilled and slotted rotors front and back, 4-wheel disc brakes, Wilwood. Just a super nice car. Another gunmetal gray metallic. Love this front end on it. Previous owner put a Trans Am hood and scoop on the car. Looks great. Black interior, bucket seat, center console. Just straight car, nice paint. Couple tiny imperfections. A little right there on the tail header panel back there. Chrome is nice. Package tray. Get the keys, David, to open up the trunk. No problem. Body lines are nice. Trunk is fantastic. Dash is great, all the trim. Roof. Very nicely done. Looks like there's newer wiring throughout the car. Wheels are fantastic. Bottom of the doors, super nice. Jams are done upright. Four-speed. Just nicely done. Back seat. Seat is fantastic. And we're gonna take it for a ride. Hot day. There's the tachometer. The clock is not working. Warmed up, it's holding. You're about 35 psi at idle. Yeah, we're about 190 temperature. Radio does work, so. And the blower motor works. This car does run on pump gas, 93 octane is preferred. And a really fun, strong running car. see all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Fly into St. Louis, Lambert Airport, St. Louis International, one and the same. Be more than happy to pick you up, take you to either of our warehouses, show you any vehicle that you like. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Video will be on YouTube and it will be on our website. If you want to call, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. I'll be happy to help you with any questions. Arrange a purchase. We'll arrange transportation as well. So, hot day. Up and goes. Fun car to drive. Tight car. There's the speedometer. You can see the speedometer working. Every bit of the 415. At www.westportautocenter.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.